what has been so great for the North Carolina sweet potato industry and how we've been able to grow is we've got this product that has a good shelf life, that doesn't perish after a few weeks. When we're getting ready to pack our new crop like we started today, we are going to go for the ones that we dug first out of the field. They are cured, number one, and ready and are sweet, but most likely their skin has tightened up as well, and they'll be ready to go through the process of being dumped out into our large tank of water that is their initial bath or shower. The reason why they are able also to keep so well during the year is we don't wash them when they come from the field. They keep that protective layer of dirt on them. We dump all the potatoes into the tank full of water, and that's where they are, get their initial wash. Then a metal belt really starts bringing them up, it conveys them up into the first round, which is the eliminator. Because that's where very small potatoes or rots, anything that has a rot would be thrown out initially. They're sprayed overhead by water. They're also an application of a fungicide. A very small amount is applied to them, and that allows them to be able to be shipped overseas. So they'll go down that line, they'll get rinsed off, and then they go to what's called the pick-out table. If there's anything that got missed at the eliminator, those workers are throwing that out or culling it to go to the cull bin. And then it goes to our sizer, and they'll go down according to how those rollers are spaced apart. There are more eyes, just making sure that there's no defect that was missed early on. And then they'll go down the line, and there's people catching at each size grade, whatever size the customer wants. We'll pack it in that box, put a lid on it, a sticker that has all the traceability information, because we can trace back to, what field did this come out of, on what day, what crew was using it, what room did it go in when it came from the field. And those are palletized, strapped, and then they come here to our cooler room where they are kept until they're ready to ship out. Then the trucks will back to our loading dock, and we'll just get them all loaded and write up the bill laden and send them on their way.